Mga kabayan, kanya-kanyang depensa ang mga abogado na magkabilang panig kaugnay sa ginawang confirmation of charges sa mga kaso ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa International Criminal Court o ICC kagabi. Sa ginawang pagdinig, tahasang sinabi at giniit ni Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, abogado at lead counsel ni FPRRD, na pauwiin na ng Pilipinas si Tatay Digong. Inakusahan din ni Kaufman na kumikilos raw si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. na maneutralize umano si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para ipadala sa ICC sa The Hague, Netherlands.
We will ask you to send Rodrigo Duterte back to his family, and we will ask you to give back to the Filipino people their Tatay Digong. Rodrigo Duterte was and will always remain a unique phenomenon. His style of statesmanship was novel and unpalatable to many. His expletives and hyperbole grated, while his honesty and wild popularity irritated. He spoke openly, from the heart, sincerely and truthfully. And what a contrast between him and his successor in the Malacanang. For President Rudy, his word was his word, and the people knew it. For President Bongbong, his word is for the wind.
Ano ang masasabi mo dito, kabayan? Sama-sama natin panuorin ang buong video at pakicomment nyo po ang inyong mga reaksyon at sariling opinyon.